International Wellness Day tends to arrive wrapped in big words: reset, transform, overhaul. And honestly, that can feel less like an invitation and more like one more thing on the list. So let's set that down. You are not behind. You just need a check-in. Here are 3 gentle ones. First, take one honest breath. Not a performance U 2014, just one breath you actually pay attention to. In through your nose for 4, a soft pause at the top, then a longer release out through your mouth. Second, borrow a pause from something you already do. Before you open your laptop, rest your hand on your chest for 3 seconds and ask, what do I actually need right now? Then if you can, honor the answer. Third, offer yourself one small kindness U 2014. Not because it's useful, but because it's kind. Refill your water. Step outside for one song. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to a tired friend. None of this fixes a whole day, but small choices stack. And it all begins the moment you wonder how you actually are. If this spoke to you, a like or subscribe truly means the world. And it helps someone else find this too.